site one death penalty so many be one ma death penalty ni wom nti mo ni a pese ye be kun krofo no ene ya de nti omo ye ne sa enso ye de na pampa mu hyen ne se gan o ye ya pese ya pe na okodi ntro
on se ahachira me hwe video bi na ablakwa opposition ese so no de send this ba ban mu na omuja President Mahama use private jet akwaku resign me pacho enen
so dem
enen ni nua plane na wato no ni nua plane na yesi wato no plane na obi ato yesi ye Ibrahim Mahama dia no
ahwesoma me ana
bi ahwesoma me what the plane by the child President Mahama etu kwa de ko South Korea se yin fa
odem
kwaku na me information me wo ewo security which say said the no musi pentem age permit
na omodia
ko na da kwaku enya asem ketwa obi apa won ko check aviation no ko defense ministry navy no ko check say record time say
the
clearance akwa no ho so pentem akotwi akota plane mu dadafo kwaku na Akufo-Addo ni mu a na Akufo-Addo ni mu a enko plane Edema Gabby asawache dako ekase Gabby na ato
na Gabby crowd Oforiata look Oforiata business is all Ghana no
there be so Oforiata do government
Oforiata wosika tie Oforiata wosika
okay
sanka esu betimi aka say
before
say ban ba because kobo besia 12 million Ghana cedis ewo Prudential Bank ano muntimi ntua anya kan Oforiata na go to in opposition
yes
enti no kan Oforiata nso wosika adenti na bibi badia yan ka say kan Oforiata de wonusika da
da bo monka
bibi ba yen kase Akufo-Addo de wonusika
na wa ye adwuma pon waji commission Akufo-Addo ye adwuma parliament yes say oji ni commission keke no yes say wa ye bone
even 96 under Rollins Akufo-Addo data bank book runner edema bank
Akufo waji commission achi
ayo wosika abobra to betimi ato soja enne mampani Mahama ba eko ye boxing eko fa ho de ba krumo ka si apa ne papa nua wosika
eko Anthony Joshua did for UK kwaku zanko for mo ba entourage no less than 6 there's no or less than 6 na no be the business class
unya kasi ya pa
ne papa nua wosika
now Mampani can you imagine say Akufo-Addo ababa mu na 1 year na Gabby ochida kwa to private jet
and Akufo-Addo
and Abomti to private jet can you imagine what will happen in Ghana
and Santi Bedia to your lawyer our Ghana ene we dey high profile cases ene
what I say enso akasa be ko kapa Mampani nua wosika
and we dey buy yes say holiday inn yes na Santi Bedia to na ekwakoto holiday inn okay
yes make
Akufo ni no echi yame abeso po na nya nokure
and the birthday be come
ye the birthday death o matu that was a birthday death o call strike
emu adin o adin
me say na Akufo-Addo ni say na be ya enka wato plane edema Akufo-Addo anase Gabby asawache da ako na nke de ba airport mom ko jina ko so ada kwa kwatinem na woko Felix Kwacho for so there be at no cost to the state except fuel na fuel no ko bulu ba bi
amudu so gum ana
e Felix ro ko ju so gum
emo asampa
o kwa
anu so de openkrofo yire no mu da mu se
ye bi ni se de obi da obi yire dia but awosha kwa
so ba na so okunu
saro mo kan
no okunu
ba awosha kwa so kwa ntimi nyo so by heart
sa ohun
she ye be cho tentem
ande
etu opia Ethiopia say pa no ko pompia guade num in a good flight num what kind of silly talk is this
emo yawo
etifo na ye to no kwaku me say na adodanko Akufo-Addo men kanu in a derogatory manner positive na Akufo-Addo we bosom I'm telling you your case of vindication is in the womb of time. But Akufo-Addo, the way he's being vindicated on hourly basis. Yes, Akufo-Addo is being vindicated on hourly basis. Just Akufo-Addo no. What time now we break? And if you go pass it there, a good penny must say, good penny must say, a good penny must say, and someone and try. You try good Akufo-Addo so. Am I baba affected? No, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and the money now when we was.
yo
everyone na who maritime ayi maritime
shippers authority
shippers rather kwahwe krata tintintin no match
yes so ojide $100 bi
ya na nya wo mo na say na global ayi na abenti no o say no enam ntokwa na ekoso no obi am be so obeye risk insurance no on be so obeye it is amudi bi aka ho meanwhile they wrote a letter to your office for approval before amudi atum and now we take him ye bench chirimu
afena e jump otimi chirinsi
e jump chirimu ya be ye bench chirimu
nyame betua nipa ka me unti Mr Money abe mama nti ademi aka government WhatsApp group no ho na misuma ko di de omo nyime
this almost transfer the core other one almost membership na do
matia na o di de no mimi nso mi de ompre dabi ompre da ompre
and the idea about was it there's God do nyame wo ho
nyame de wo pa
na adodanko Akufo-Addo musa achese kwaku hwe asema abey se do abra couple string can you imagine say na Akufo-Addo ye president oba